In Apple iPhone, sometimes you may have already created some stickers. If you want to add some effects to these stickers, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to add effects to already created stickers in Apple iPhone. For that, first what we need to do is open any social media applications. You can use WhatsApp or Instagram. Important thing you should notice that app should support stickers. For example, I am opening Instagram. If you want, you can select WhatsApp also. In WhatsApp, select any chat. If you are using Instagram, above you can see message option. Click on this message option, and after that, from this select any chat. For example, I am selecting this chat. After that, down here you can see message option. Click on message option. When you are clicking on that, you can see your keyboard. In your keyboard, down here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see stickers button. Click on this stickers button. When you are clicking on that, you can see already created stickers. If you want to add effects to any of the stickers, what you need to do is long press on that sticker. After that, leave. When you are leaving, you can see some options. Here you can see one option, add effect. Click on add effect. When you are clicking on that, down here you can see some effects. If you want to add outline, you can do that. Comic option, puffy option and shiny option is also there. You can add whichever effect you want. For example, I am adding this effect. After that, above you can see done button. Click on this done button. When you are clicking on that effect will be added. If you want to edit this effect, what you need to do is again long press on that sticker, and when you are leaving you can see one option edit effect. Click on this option, and here again you can edit this effects. So this way in Apple iPhone you can add effects to already created stickers. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.